This is a video inspection for a Bobcat 763, serial number 512221546. It's got a 4-cylinder Kubota diesel. It runs great. We've gone through it. We can't seem to find any leaks. We put a brand new set of tires on it. You look, it does have a little bit of rust, but the machine is solid. This auction comes with a Bradco 72-inch 4-in-1 bucket and a 66-inch tooth bucket. Got a brand new seat in it as well. There's your cab and your foot pedals. Machine has 2,783 hours. It's got lights. They work. Auxiliary hydraulics. Again, all brand new tires. New seat. I'm going to demonstrate it here for you.